Hey everybody, this is Ray Ogilvy in Hartsville, South Carolina. Here's a bird everybody enjoys seeing. This is the northern cardinal. It gets its name from its bright red plumage that reminded the colonists of the red robes worn by the cardinals of the Catholic Church. The female is duller in color, mostly gray, with hints of red in her tail, wings, and crest. Both male and female have bright orange bills. These birds mate for life. Cardinals mainly eat seeds, but they'll also feed on insects and fruits. They do not migrate. They have a wide range covering the eastern and central United States, and also the eastern portion of Mexico. They can live a long time. Cardinals raised in captivity have been said to live more than 28 years.